9, subtract again, right? So you can see the word form, which means I'll write on this first, minus is there because of the question. Let's do the sign first again, right? Plus is here, right? Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus again, minus, minus into plus again, minus, then minus into minus, I'll have here plus, right? Once we're done with it, we'll start collecting the like terms. A square together here, b square together, c square together, and then numbers and numbers together here, right? If you look at a square, plus is greater, right? So 4 minus 1, 3 times a square. When you look at b square, they're both minus, which means I have to add them, but my sign will be minus. Minus 2 minus 1, I'll have a 3 times minus 3b square. Once again, if you look at c square, plus is greater, right? So 3 minus 1, I'll have a 2 times c square. 2 plus 4, I'll have 6. Alright, question number 10. Subtract this from the sum of this and this, which means I have to add these two first, right? Whatever I get here, I'll have to subtract this with this again. Clear? So let us first do the addition. I've written both the numbers here. The second step is just removing the brackets. Once we're done, collect the like terms. X square together, x together, and then numbers together. You can see that they're all plus here, right? So 12 plus 16, I'll have a 28x squared. 4 plus 8, I'll have a 12, then 2 plus 6, 8. So remember, this is what we get, right? Now the question form is here, which means I have to write down this first, right? And then subtract, right? So minus is there, and then write down this numbers again. Once we're done, let's do the sign first. Plus is here, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus again, right? Now after that, collect the like terms. So x square together, x together, numbers together here, right? Then 28 minus 8, you can see plus is greater, right? 28 minus 8, I'll have 20x square. Same thing again here. When you look at this x, plus is greater again, right? 12 minus 2, I'll have 10x. Once again here, same. 8 minus 6, plus is greater again, so I'll have here 2. Alright, question number 12. By how much is this less than this? Which means we know that this is greater, right? So I'm going to write down here, and less than means, remember, minus, and then write down the smaller number. Once again, let's do the sign first. Plus is here, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus again, minus. Once we're done, collect the like terms. X square together, x together, numbers together, right? When you look at x square, you can see plus is greater. 9 minus 3, 6x squared, and once again, when you look at x, plus is greater again, right? 11 minus 6, I'll have here 5x. Same thing, add minus 4, plus is greater, so I'll have here 4. The last question, question number 14. By how much is this greater than this, right? So it's like asking how much is 10 greater than 6, which means, remember, you still have to subtract, right? And then you will get 4. Clear? So 10 is greater than 6 by 4. Same thing again here, minus. But now this is greater than this. Alright, so I have to write down the bigger number first. I've written, like I said, we're doing subtraction, so minus, and then write down this. Let's do a sign first. Here, plus is there, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus, and then again minus into plus, minus. Once you're done with that, let's collect the like terms. So x to the power 4, x to the power 4 together, x square together, x together, numbers together here, right? So when you look at this, 2x4 minus 7x4, you can see minus is greater, right? 2 minus 7, I'll get minus 5x4. This is plus, this is minus. They're same, so I can just subtract them. I'll get 0 direct, right? If you look at x again, minus is greater. Plus 3 minus 4, right? So 4 is greater, so my sign will be minus. And then 3 minus 4, I'll have here minus 1, or just simply x. And when you look at 6 minus 1, plus is greater, right? 6 minus 1 is 5.